I'm going to use this Laniege. This is a glowy makeup serum. And apply it to my face. So since it's really hot outside, I just decided to wear something like this. And so far, I like it for now. Okay, so we're going to put on some eyebrows, and I'm going to use a little bit of dark. Okay, I'm going to do real simple. This is the Revolution palette. And this is only $3.99 at TJ Maxx. They have them all the time. So the colors that I'm going to use today is this one and this brown. No, I take that back. I'm going to use this shade right here and this one. So hopefully it looks halfway decent. Let me see. I have another one down here somewhere. Okay. I had more because I'm not really too fond of that brown. I'm going to use a brown from the other palette. It's called Passion. It's this one right here. This a match. So I'm going to dip my brush. I need a base that'll make it pop a little bit. Passion, and we're just gonna add that to the crease. I just did a little hair tutorial in my vlog earlier. Okay. By my eyes being big, this brush is really small for me because I don't have a small lid, but I'm just using it anyway. I like to use, let me see. I like to use a brush like so, a large shader brush, because I can just pack it on my lid real quick. But this one, it's tedious. Okie dokie, so that's it for the eyes. Probably put on some mascara, put some lashes on. Didn't I just buy some mascara? Y'all, stop just disappearing. Or I'm just not organized enough. I just purchased some mascara. I don't know what I did with it, but I guess I'll use this one. I'm not gonna put on a lot because I'm just prepping my lashes for my my falsies, because I'm gonna wear some false lashes today. Yep. So while that dries, I am gonna go on to my face. And let's see, what's today? Let me see what I should wear today. I'll do, let's see, I'm gonna do drugstore. We'll do, I guess this will be a drugstore. No, okay, this will be a drugstore, but I did my brows, so halfway drugstore. This is the, what is this? Maybelline. This is the Fit Me poreless. This is like my favorite, one of my favorites. They do have pumps. I have a pump somewhere. You know, you can buy the pump online. They are selling them with the pumps now, right? Let's see. Y'all, stuff be disappearing. I ain't lying to y'all. Okay. Yep, I found the pump. These are the pumps right here that you can get on Amazon. And they give you this little stick. But I don't know how long that is. And you get 2 for the price of 1. The name of it is called Lufux, L-U-F-O-X 2-piece foundation pump for Estee Lauder double wear foundation bottles. But it will fit that foundation, which is from Fit Me. And I just sprayed some Trader Joe's watermelon facial mist. I like to dampen my brush.